Hey friends, this is I think one of the best Filipino horror movie of 2023. Ang ganda ng pagkakalatag ng tatlong timeline ng pelikulang to. At sobrang intriguing din ng mystery revolving around this movie. It is actually inspired by the first documented serial killer in the Philippines. Pero ang creative ng atake nila para sa pelikulang to. Hindi linear ang pagkakakwento ng Malyari kaya maaari kang malito at first. Pero once it all made sense, talagang mapapasabi ka na lang, yun pala yung mga yon, ganon. Because the movie will give you a lot of clues that will only make sense at the end of the movie. And I love the third act of this movie. Nung napagtagpi-tagpi na yung mystery around this movie, there's no questions left for me. And that ending, wow, I love that ending. I think this movie has a great production design for a horror movie. At ang galing din talaga ni Piolo Pascual sa pagganap sa tatlong timeline. Makikita mo talaga yung difference in each characters. Overall, I really enjoyed it.